So the phenomena that I am demonstrating involves the use of soap, water, and pepper. So first you take a glass of water and add pepper to it. Then you take a chopstick and dip it into soap. You then put the soap-covered chopstick into the pepper water mixture. So, as you can see from that, when the soap-covered chopstick is put into the water, the pepper then disperses from the soap. So, why is this happening? The soap disrupts the surface tension of the water, which causes the pepper to disperse to the side of the container in the water and soap mixture it is in. So the water molecules are polar, so they are attracted to one end of the polar soap molecule, which is hydrophilic, which disrupts the surrounding surface tension. And this works particularly well with pepper because it can float on the surface of water. It would also work with things like flour or anything that can float on water. So what is surface tension? So as you can see here, this glass of water, when you add more water to it, the water is then floating just above the surface of the rim of the glass. So how is this happening? So the molecules in water are identical in content, but they experience different forces depending on where they are in water, whether they're below the surface or whether they're at the surface. So as you can see from this diagram, water molecules that are below the surface are bonded at all sides to other water molecules, while water molecules at the surface aren't bonded at all sides because there's nothing above them. So they do experience a net force while these molecules do not. So also, besides just the net force, the bonds created by these ones, because there are less water molecules, are relatively stronger compared to the bonds created below the surface of the water, which then causes a surface tension. So this is how surface tension is made. So what are the properties of soap that disrupts the surface tension? So soap is any sort of material that has molecules that are both hydrophilic and hydrophobic. What this means is that the molecules are both attracted to water and repelled by water, or attracted to oil, making water and oil mix together. So this then, when applied to the water pepper mixture, the water molecules that were once very strongly bonded to other water molecules then become more bonded to the soap molecules because of a stronger force being applied by the soap molecules, which has a stronger force than the other water molecules. So this is the reason that then the surface tension is disrupted, or it breaks, and then the pepper wants to move to a place in the surface of the water that the surface tension is not, where the surface tension is still intact, so that it can still float on the surface of the water. And this is why the pepper disperses, and this explains the phenomena.